1 mark is provided for one correct answer. There is will be negative marking for every wrong answer, and 0.5 marks will be deducted from your marks. And if any team is not able to answer any question, then the question will be passed to another team. Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Then my first question is to 10th coaching. Are you ready? Your first question is, which of the following is a false fruit? And your options are A. Banana, B. Apple, C. Pomegranate, and D. Grapes. Which of the following fruits is a false fruit? Your options are banana, apple, pomegranate, grapes. Banana is the wrong answer, and this question is past 12th science. Yes, apple is right answer. I would like to give some explanation about the true fruit and false fruit. Actually, banana is a parthenocarpic fruit which is not fertilized. And false fruit is any fruit which develop from other parts other than the ovary. And in this case, as we provided some option to you, apple is the fruit which develops from the thalamus. So so apple is known as false fruit. The next question is for 12th medical. There is a hard covering on pollen grain that is exoine. Of which material it is made up of? This is one word answer question. There is a hard covering on the pollen grain that is exoine. You have to tell that of which material it is made up of. Yes, sporopollenin is the correct answer. A big round of applause for the 12th science. Next question is for 10th coaching. Cotyledon of monocotyledon is commonly named as. As you all know, dicotyledon plant have two cotyledons and monocotyledon plant have only single cotyledon, and there is a specific name for that cotyledon. You have to tell that name. Any guesses? If you don't know the answer of that question, you can pass the question to another team. This question is passed to the team 12th medical. Any guesses? Scutellum is the right answer. A big round of applause for the 12th medical again. Very good. Question for the 12th medical. Root of any plant develops from a specific part of seed. That part of seed is known as. Again, this is a one-word answer. Seed contains various parts, and from a specific part root develops. You have to mention that specific part. Radicle is the right answer. Again, very good, Bachchan. The next question is for 10th coaching. Double fertilization is a unique feature of. Options are gymnosperm, angiosperms, pteridophytes, and bryophytes. Angiosperm is the right answer. A big round of applause for the 10th coaching. Next question is for 12th medical. What is the ploidy of pollen grain in microsporangium? And your options are haploid, diploid, triploid, and tetraploid. You have to mention the ploidy of pollen grain in a microsporangium. Right answer, haploid is the right answer. Very good. Next question is for 10th coaching. The process of formation of seed without fertilization in flowering plant is known as option A is budding, option B is apomixis, option C is sporulation, and option D is hybridization. What is the right answer for the question? Okay. The process of formation of seeds without fertilization in flowering plant is known as apomixis is the right answer, and you mentioned banana. Banana is also an example of apomictic fruit. And also we called them as parthenocarpic fruit. Okay, right answer. Next question is for 12th medical. What is the function of filiform apparatus? What is the function of filiform apparatus? Okay, right answer. A big hand for 12th medical. The next question is for 10th coaching. The male reproductive part of a flower, collectively they are known as. Collective form of male reproductive part in flowering plant is known as. Options are stamen, androecium, filament or gynoecium. Okay, I am repeating the question. Collectively, male part of the flower is known as, your options are stamen, androecium, gynoecium and anther. Androecium is the right answer. A big round of applause for the 10th coaching. The next question is for 12th medical. What is the name of yellowish substance formed in the ovary after ovulation? What is the name of the substance formed in the ovary after the ovulation? Corpus luteum is the right answer. A big hand for 12th medical. Okay, next question is for 10th coaching. Which is the single gland found in male reproductive system in humans? And your options are seminal vesicle, prostate gland. Okay, very nice. Prostate gland is the right answer. Big round of applause for the 10th coaching. The next question is for 12th medical. Colostrum or the milk from the mother contains which type of antibodies? Your options are immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E. Immunoglobulin A is the right answer. A big hand for the 12th medical. The next question is for 10th coaching. Sertoli cell regulated by which pituitary hormone? Here, Sertoli cell regulated by which hormone? And your options are FSH, LH, estrogen and progesterone. FSH is the right answer. Very good. A big round of applause for the 10th coaching again. Next question is for 12th medical. Which one is released from the ovary? You have to tell the right form of the ovum. Your first option is primary oocyte, B is secondary oocyte, third is Graafian follicle and fourth is ovum. Which one is released from the ovary during the ovulation? And your options are primary oocyte, secondary oocyte, Graafian follicle and ovum. Secondary oocyte is the right answer. Please give a big hand for the 12th medical. Our next question is for 10th coaching. First movement of fetus is observed in which month? first movement of fetus is observed in which month? And your options are third month, fourth month, fifth month, or sixth month. Fifth month is the right answer. A big round of applause for the 10th question. The next question is for 12th medical. Which layer of the egg responsible for the polyspermy inhibition? Which layer of the egg responsible for the polyspermy inhibition? Zona pellucida is the right answer. Give a big hand to 12th medical again. The next question is for 10th coaching. LH surge is a phenomena occur in which phase of menstrual cycle? LH surge occurs in which phase of menstrual cycle? Here, LH surge is defined as the maximum concentration of LH hormone secreted from the pituitary gland. And LH surge is responsible for a phenomena which is known as ovulatory phase is the right answer. A big round of applause for the 10th coaching. My next question is for 12th medical. Which layer of uterus causes vigorous contraction during the delivery? Which layer of uterus causes vigorous contraction during delivery? Myometrium is the right answer. Please give a big hand to 12th medical. My next question is to 10th coaching. How many cells are functional megaspore in a megasporangia? Here we are talking about the sexual reproduction in the plants. You have to tell how many cells are functional megaspore in megasporangia, and your options are 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, or 4 cell. Okay, 1 cell is the right answer. Give a big hand to 10th coaching. And that's why megasporogenesis is also known as monosporic development, because here 3 other megaspores degenerate in this case. Right answer, very good. And the last question is for 12th medical. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of different plant of same species is known as, and your options are genogamy, option B gatonogamy, and your third option is autogamy. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of different plant of same species is known as, your options are genogamy, gatonogamy, and autogamy. Genogamy is the right answer. Give a big hand to 12th medical. Okay, now I would like to invite MD ma'am for their precious words. Please ma'am, come.
Good morning, everyone. जो कंपटीशन था वो आपने देख ही लिया, काफ़ी टफ था। दोनों ही क्लासेस ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया।